Hey floor cleaners, it's John here, and in this video I'm going to be giving you my top 10 tips to take your floor cleaning business to the next level in 2023 and beyond. If you've never heard of me before, my name's John Williams and I run a company called AGB. We specialise in getting guys like you, carpet cleaners, floor cleaners, tile cleaners, booked out with jobs with our specialist digital marketing system. I'm on a personal mission to try and help as many people as humanly possible, not just survive but thrive, whether that's through working with us on a one-on-one basis inside our program or through this YouTube channel. So without further ado, let's dive right in. Make it simple for customers to book your floor cleaning services. One thing to remember with your carpet cleaning marketing is to keep everything simple for your customers. Don't make them do more than the minimum to find information. Get in touch with you or book a service. That means if your ad sends them to your website, let them book directly from the site. If you add extra steps such as sending an email, phoning or anything, you are giving that prospect an excuse not to follow through and use your service. An online booking widget not only takes care of booking for you, but it also frees up your time and it's also easy for your customers. And again, just leaning back into what I was just saying, we now live in a world where everybody has very low attention spans. We live in a world of Uber, Netflix, where you can literally have a world of entertainment at a click of a button, where you can buy things on Amazon instantly and then magically the following day it arrives without you really having to do anything. That's the world we now live in. So if you make it too complicated for your customers to take a next step with you, then they're just not going to do it, because that's the world we now live in. You want to make it as easy as possible for people to do business with you. So on your website, people shouldn't have to hunt through tons of menus and, to find your booking page. You should be right there at the top, a big button. It should be the first thing they see, and the booking process and system should be really, really easy. And for example, again, talking about our marketing program that we run for carpet cleaners and floor cleaners, we run Facebook ads that go to a messenger chatbot that has a conversation on autopilot with the customer and generates booking requests and quote requests in your inbox on Messenger of your Facebook business page. And the customers love this. They don't have to go and try and figure out some website. They don't have to be redirected. It's almost like the Uber of carpet cleaning, what we've invented at AGB, our marketing agency. People can literally see an ad with an offer for carpet cleaning, click a button, and they can instantly be connected with that business in Messenger, have a conversation, click a few buttons and make a booking request right there in Messenger, in the same way that you can book an Uber straight from your cell phone. That's what we've invented, and that's what we're doing in the carpet cleaning industry. So if you want to find out more about that, hit us up. We'd love to talk to you so that we can show it to you and blow your mind. Rethink marketing mail distribution strategies. So in the post, the marketing mail can take many forms. As a floor cleaning business owner, you might have already done flyers, postcards, door hanger advertising, etc., but maybe it's time to rethink how you do it. It might make sense to review strategic locations. Instead of blanketing your area with ads, which is pricey, be strategic with placement. Distribute door hangers in neighborhoods where you want to clean or expand your business. Leave postcards at real estate offices and daycare centers, and put up posters in cafes and community centers. Track your efforts. If you're including a special offer in your print ads, include a promo code too. You can even create different promo codes for different areas. This will tell you which efforts and areas earn the highest number of new clients. So ultimately, it's expensive, man, doing all this in print stuff and posting it out everywhere. And you could be wasting a lot of valuable dollars by doing this stuff, and people are just chucking it straight in the bin. So if you can track it and really hone in on the best areas, it's really going to help you out in terms of really leveraging your mail marketing strategy in the best way. Number 6, increase the purchase frequency of your floor cleaning customers. Look for additional services that can be added to the current booking and try to increase how often people book with you. The price you pick for your services and extras should depend on the potential of your customer, the positioning of your brand, your floor cleaning business, and the price quoted by your competitors. Of course, it goes without saying that the quality of the service offered or the product should match the price charged. Think what new services or offers you can put on the table in front of your customers to justify the price increase. It could be something small like the introduction of a brand new carpet deodorizing chemical or a hard floor care product, a new cleaning system. Maybe you've got a new truck truck mount or something, and this is going to basically, make your carpets even newer than they were new when you bought them. And for that, you're able to charge, because people see the value in that, you're able to charge more. And maybe you can add some special services, maybe pet services, deodorizing services, and get people booking more regularly, more frequently with you to come back and reapply that treatment on a regular basis. Offer a variety of payment options. A lot of customers struggle with payment options provided by an organization. Sometimes payment choices provided are not usually compatible with every customer, especially if they belong to different geographies. Some prefer credit cards, some use online banking, others prefer digital methods such as PayPal or Apple Pay. If you provide only standard options such as credit card payment methods, you are essentially limiting the pool of customers to credit card holders. Include other popular payment choices to improve sales and allow potential customers to make purchases with the payment method they prefer. I mean, look, at the end of the day, it's 2023. And in this day and age, people are paying by, using Google Pay, tapping with their phone on a card reader. There's PayPal, there's Apple Pay, like I just said. There's 1,000,001 different ways that you can pay now. And it's real important for you as a business owner to make sure that you keep up with the latest technology and the latest trends, because if you're not able to offer the latest payment methods, well, that's going to hurt you because customers are not going to be able to pay. So do stay on top of all that stuff. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button so that you get notified when the next video comes out. And if you'd like to find out a little bit more about working with us on a one-on-one basis, head down to the description below where you'll find all the necessary links for more information and to book a call with us. See you on the next one. Cheers.